can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Immutable. Immutable is up 13% over the last 24 hours. It's up 29% over the last 1 week. And even though it's down 46% over the last 1 year, good time to returning back to the altcoin market. It's official. We're in altcoin season. We're in an altcoin month. It's official. Altcoins are pumping to the moon. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. More pumps are in the way. How will that affect the price of Immutable? We'll talk about that and more in this video. We'll be looking at Immutable's performance against the US dollar. How high can it go? Is a new all-time high possible? We'll also look at Immutable's market cap, which currently sits around the $1.29 billion level. Can we get to new all-time highs? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is bubbling. The altcoin market is seeing huge gains over the last 24 hours, over the last 7 days. We're seeing double-digit gains across the board. Some altcoins are even up triple digits just over the last 7 days. It's official. We're in an altcoin season, guys. If you don't know what an altcoin season is, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is officially an altcoin season. And during altcoin season is when altcoins go parabolic. Now, if you look at Immutable's valuation against the US dollar, it's currently trading at $0.66 level. This is the highest price we have traded since the early portion of May. Now, if you zoom out a bit and ask yourself, what has Immutable done throughout its life history? We saw this coin getting launched by the end of the 2021 bull market, and it started dumping to Goblin Town in its first full crypto bear market. That's what altcoins do when we're down bad. A 95% dump in the altcoin market, guys, is nothing to write home about. Altcoins always dump 90+% here and there. If you say 90+% dump to Goblin Town, it's more of a buying opportunity, but you want to be very careful, guys, because volatility in the altcoin market is a future, it's not a bug. Now, if you buy low, you'll be able to sell high. If you buy when there's fear in the market, you'll be able to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. We saw Immutable getting to as low as $0.37. This was in November of 2022. Since then, we have seen it rally aggressively to higher prices. Even though we have not gotten to new all-time highs, we have seen Immutable get to as high as $3.78. About a 900% pump to the upside, but that rally ended in March of 2024. We got stopped out at that $3.78 region. Since then, Immutable has dumped to Goblin Town. Even though the dump has not been fast and quick, it's been steady, controlled decline. We've seen Immutable go from $3.73. We've seen it head back down to as low as $0.37. About 90% dump to Goblin Town. I told you guys earlier that's very normal in the cryptocurrency market. A 90% dump is nothing to write home about. It's just a good buying opportunity. If you're one of those smart investors that got in when it was down bad, you would have been singing kumbaya. Right now your investment is up 89%, and I believe over the next few days and the next few weeks we see Immutable X continue rallying to higher prices. First, the $2.1 level might prove difficult. Hopefully we'll blast through the $2.1 level, and if we do, expect us to attempt to blast through the $3.73 level. But for mobile currency trading, guys, that will require Immutable X to pull out a bender. That will require Immutable X to pull out one of those crazy end of cycle pumps. That will require Immutable to rally by more than 450%. And guys, when altcoin season, anything is possible in altcoin season. Just 7 days ago, we saw an altcoin going up 1,000%. Worldcoin went up 82%. I'll not be shocked if Immutable X over the next few days and the next few months start rallying aggressively, maybe even rallying past that $3 level, possibly getting to the previous all-time highs. That's a stretch, but guys, everything is possible if you believe. For us to get to all-time highs rallying above $9, we need Immutable to pump by more than 1,300%. But before we talk about how complex that 1,300% pump might come, before we talked about how long it will take, let's look at some key details about Immutable. With the market cap sitting at $1.29 billion, we've seen 24-hour trading volume increase by 83% to as high as That's $92 million. The all-time high for Immutable happened on 26th of November 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $9.5. Right now it's down 93% from that all-time highs. Immutable positions itself as the first layer 2 scaling solution for NFTs on Ethereum. According to Immutable, its blockchain does away with Ethereum limitations like low scalability, a poor user experience, illiquidity, and slow developer experience. Instead, users benefit from instant trading and massive scalability while enjoying zero gas fees for minting and trading NFTs without compromising user or asset security. If you want to buy some Immutable for yourself, you want to buy some of these tokens, you can buy them on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Immutable tokens right there. If you look at Immutable's performance against Ethereum, nothing to write home about. It's been a dump to Goblin Town with the obvious pump here and there. But I believe over the next few weeks, we're going to see a sustained uptrend against Ethereum. We saw a little version of that in September of 2023. That pump ended in February of 2024. Immutable was able to outperform Ethereum by more than 292%. From where we're currently trading right now, after dropping to new all-time lows, that's in August of 2025, I will not be shocked to see Immutable outperform Ethereum by more than 200% over the next few days and the next few weeks. Historically, when we get to altcoin season, when we get to altcoin month, that's when big whales that have made huge profits in Ethereum, in Bitcoin, start flipping their gains into the altcoin market. And I expect Immutable to be one of those altcoins that will enjoy from that process. But remember, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profits. You're playing a game against other market participants, and at some point in time in the nearest future, a big dump to Goblin Town awaits us. Before that big dump to Goblin Town comes, we have to enjoy the pump. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping leads to altcoins pumping, and that's why we are seeing altcoins having huge pumps, even with Immutable catching a 13% pump in just 24 hours. The lower Bitcoin dominance go, the more you see confidence in the altcoin market. The higher Immutable go, the more you hear outrageous price predictions. Guys, remember, the pump won't last forever. At some point in time, the rally will come to an end. At some point in time, you have to sell for sweet profit. So watch out for these key levels. The $2 level might be very pivotal. We got rejected there in December of 2024. The $3.7 level is another pivotal level. We got rejected there in March of 2024. And if we're going for the Mama Jamma, we're going for the all-time high, which is around $9.5. Even though sentiment is still neutral right now, market participants are expecting way higher prices. So even though Bitcoin is trading near all-time highs, even though Ethereum is trading near all-time highs, we're still seeing sentiment stay at neutral. But Altseason is here, and if Altseason is here and Bitcoin dominance is dumping, we'll expect the market cycle to be coming to an end. Those are the telltale signs we have been waiting for. But before it comes to an end, I'll be expecting Immutable's market cap to at least rally to as high as the $4 billion level. We have seen Immutable's market cap get to as high as even $5 billion. That was in March of 2024. Since then, Immutable's market cap has not been able to rally back to that $5 billion level. In December of 2024, we got to as high as the $3.7 billion level before we got rejected. For us to get to new all-time highs, we need to blast above $5 billion. And from where we're currently trading at the $1.2 billion level, Immutable will need around a 300% pump to the upside that will see us trading above the $5 billion level. If we see the US dollar price chart going up by 300%, if we see the US dollar price chart going up by 300%, that will mean Immutable will be trading around the $2.9 level. That's still far from the all-time highs. More tokens are coming into circulation. That's why the market cap can probably get to all-time highs faster than the US dollar price chart. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Immutable tokens right now? Do you believe the market cap can rally past $5 billion? And what price will you be selling for some sweet profit? If we are in Altseason right now and all coins are pumping front, left, and center, do you see Immutable setting new all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.